What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Summertime Minion Stuart. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the eye. We'll start right in the center at the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and we'll just bend that back up towards the top. Let's trace this circle along the inside of the frame. So we're going to step down in the middle, again just repeating this all the way across and then back up. Let's add a fold across the center of the eye for the eyelid. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Now in the middle, let's draw a half circle coming down and then up. Add another smaller half circle for the pupil and fill that in black. Now we're going to add a hinge on the outside. So we'll start on the left side, going out, straight down and back in. Do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll split this in half. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the mouth. Let's start on the left. Bend this across and then up a little bit higher on the right. Curve this down, come across and then up towards the left. On the right side, draw a straight line coming down and fill the outside in black. And then in the middle, separate the teeth with another curve. Let's go to the center, draw one line coming down, go to the right, add one, and then one more on the left. Now we're going to go all the way out towards the side and draw the head. Let's start on the left. Start by going straight up, round at the head, come across the middle, and then bring that down towards the right, towards the same height. Let's add the straps. From this point, step down, draw a straight line going out, from the bottom step up, and do the same thing. Let's add the hair across the top. In the middle, bend this up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Go back to the center, add one more strand going out on each side. Now from the bottom of the head, just going to angle the arms, coming down and out towards the elbows. Round the elbow, come down and then in towards the wrist. Now let's go back to the top of the arms, step down. Draw the same angle coming down, bend this in towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, let's draw on the thumb. We're going to go up and bend that down. Now let's overlap, stepping out the edge of the inner tube, going across the body and then in towards the right thumb. Let's go back to the inside of the arms, draw a straight line coming down. From the edge of the thumb, let's draw the first finger coming down and in, round up the finger, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to layer the second finger in behind, starting from the outside along the bottom, curve this out, and then up towards the wrist. Let's draw the outside of the inner tube, starting from the forearm, curve this around, and then in. Go back to the left side. To the bottom, coming across, and then bend that back up. Let's add a seam across the bottom from the left side, goes down, and then up. Now over on the left side, we're going to go out, down, and then back in. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath, starting right in the center. Start with a straight line coming down towards the heels, and we'll draw the bottom edge of the shorts. Right in the middle of that line, goes down and up towards the left, and right side, draw a straight line going back up. Let's draw the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up towards the toe. Let's add a big toe, drawing a circle with an open end on the inside. Now I'm going to layer two more smaller toes along the outside. And then in between the first toes, we're going to curl the foot, coming up and then in underneath the shorts. Let's add a simple floral detail across the shorts. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Summertime Minion Stuart. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.